New from Dorman is an exclusive HVAC heater control valve for Toyota Prius applications from 2009 to 2004. The HVAC heater control valve controls coolant flow from the engine to the heater core, providing heat and air conditioning to the passenger compartment. The original valve for this application has an extremely high failure rate due to valve contamination. The HVAC heater control valve is an essential replacement part, helping to restore proper functioning of the vehicle's heating and AC systems.